colder than a witch's tit out here. Sorry, it's super dark, got no decent street lights around here. So minus 35 degrees Celsius with the wind chill. Doing the cold start. Trying to get my skinny ass to the gym. Oh my god. Let's see what the truck's temperature is. Oh my god, it shows minus 31, but I don't expect this to sound good. Here we go. Service trailer brake system, there we go. We all know how that goes. Now this girl, let's get a light on in here. Whew. Let's get some heat on in here. This is nuts. This is a 2014 Ram 1500 Ecodiesel, as you could probably hear. I've got a stage 1 Celtic tune on it. Straight pipes. Well, it's got a muffler, so basically straight pipe, but you know, it's really hard to see, I know, but it smokes pretty hard in those temperatures. You know, until it gets up the temperature. There you have it. No plug-in or nothing. Sounds like a 12 valve, but she starts.